take the little Datsun that we've got in at the minute, the Z car.
That's
right?
That's a Z80 or 70?
So that car is still usable today.
That's a beautiful car
There's
too.
mechanical attention on it. Of course, it does, but any machine does. But with the EVs in 7-8 years, when the batteries have gone, now okay, things like that might start to get cheaper, but the mineral resources are getting more scarce.
Right.
The world isn't exactly stable. What are the economics of, what do you do with a 7 or 8 year old EV? Teslas have come into that age now. A lot of them are older than that. So people are finding that out, and it just seems very much like everyone's got overexcited at, after work drinks, and you've all decided to book some weird holiday somewhere, and you've all just gotten in, and the next morning you've woke up thinking, I wish I'd not done that.